In this video, I will be talking about the course structure and go about your assignments in the lecture videos. If you go in Canvas and you scroll down to Modules, go ahead and select that. And over here, as it comes up, you will see the first section. So I'm only going to go over the first section. So for Chapter 1, Performing Operations and Evaluating Expressions for Statistics. So the first section is Variables, Constants, Plotting Points, and Inequalities. Right below that, you're going to see the tab that says Lecture Videos. So you're going to go ahead and select that. Now once you open this up, you're now going to see the learning objectives for this course. So these are learning objectives that you're going to learn for this. And then right below the learning objectives, you're going to see Download and Print the Guided Notebook. Now this is the guided notebook for section 1.1. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And what that automatically does is it's going to download it, and then I'm going to open it up so you can see what that looks like. So this is a guided notebook for each section that you're going to see in this preparation course. What it is it's fill in the blanks as you watch the lecture. So you can either print this out, or if you have access to be able to write on this on your computer, you can do that as well. This is all for your own. So as you're going through the lecture video, you are then able to then write down all the pertinent information in here. Now, if you click on the video, you will see 1.1 variables. You will see that this is a lecture that's already been done with all the information that's already been inputted. So you want to make sure that as you're watching through the lecture, then you're able to take notes as you go along. So I created these videos for you to be able to do that. So this is a really good way of being able to watch the lecture and then write down your notes as you're going through that. So as you can see, this is kind of what you would do. So each objective, so there's a title on each video. It says Objective 1. So this video just pertains to Objective 1. And if you scroll down to the next video, this is Objective 2. So it'll be Objective 2 on your guided notes. And then, Objective 3, sometimes you may see two objectives combined. Each section, again, as I stated, is going to have lecture videos. So I'm going to go back to the module section here on the left. And again, for each section, you have these lecture videos that you're going to go ahead and click on. Now, let's say you've completed section 1.1 lecture videos, and now you're ready to access the assignment. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the My Lab and Mastering tab. And then what you would do is you'd select the Open My Lab and Mastering. And then from here, you're going to select the assignment page. So once you click on the assignment page, then you're ready to begin assignment 1.1 after you've completed the lecture notes. So when you select assignment 1.1, you're going to see the questions that are listed here. So if you select question number 1, it'll open up a new tab. And then here you will have your questions. So as you answer your questions, let's say that I'm going to answer this question. So it says select the correct choice that completes the sentence below. I'm going to put in the incorrect answer at first. So it tells me that the correct answer is variable. Okay, so therefore it tells me it's incorrect. Now if you look down here, it says you can try again. So you can try as many times as you want any of these questions. So let's say that you've gone through a question and you're like, okay, well, I need more practice. Well, then you can select a similar example. Let's go to another question where you're going to work out a particular number here. Okay. Okay, so for example, in here, you have this question where you need to plot this point, and you're going to be able to plot this point on the particular graph. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to plot the point 8, -7 on the coordinate system. So you just need to, in this case here, you're going to plot the point 8, -7. So you're going to move to the right 8 points, and then you're going to go down to -7, and therefore there is your point. Now we're going to check our answer, and it says correct. Now, if you want to go to the next question, you can. If you don't, then you're going to select the X and then say, okay, well, I want a similar question because I want to do this again. And so therefore, it's going to give me another question to practice. And then up here, that green check just tells me that I have it correct. So again, you can do this as many times as you want and keep trying similar questions. And then up here where it says question help, you have a lot of different information that you can use. It says help me solve the question. You can view an example. So if you select view an example, it'll give you instructions on how to go through this particular question. Now, if you do select the help me solve, once you complete the help me solve, you're going to go the whole way through it, and then what it's going to do is it's going to make you redo a new question up here. So if you hit help me solve, it's going to help you solve it, and then it's going to give you a new question for you to be able to answer that question. So again, these are some of the tools that you can use when you're going through this assignment. And that'll conclude this video.